am Adam. Welcome. Welcome to our channel, Easy English Conversation. This is our new channel for discussions, just like a podcast. The purpose of this channel is to discuss topics requested by the audience, topics they are interested in. We will talk about history, entertainment, sports, and more. All these discussions will be in simple language, as mentioned in the description. We believe this will be very helpful for beginner English learners to improve their listening skills in a big way. Your support is very important for this journey. With hope and excitement, we have a friend. Her name is Anna. She will discuss and she'll read our description. This is just beginning only.
Yeah, Adam, I'm Anna. Let's go. Welcome to Easy English Conversation, your go-to channel for mastering English effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, we bring you engaging conversations, practical tips, and real-life examples to help you speak and understand English confidently. Our episodes are designed to simplify grammar, expand your vocabulary, and improve your listening skills, all in a fun and relaxed way. Join us as we explore topics that matter to you with clear explanations and helpful insights. Subscribe now and start your journey toward fluent, easy English.
We are going to conclude. Please subscribe.